Okay, so once again, to prove that there is a issue with the wiring in this home, I decided to take this off because it started beeping. I think I took a video of that before, but when I open it, you see that burn mark in there? Let me see if I can get it on the other side of this. I really can't get it on there, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. But this is on the inside. Now, these normally have a battery connected to them, but this, for some reason, is wired inside of the wall. I'm not sure if there's a battery behind this, but I will take it off and check. It looks like there's a whole lot of wires connected for something that just needs a battery. Why are all these wires on here? I don't know, but I guess we'll have to find out. But that's another record, or another one for the record, on what's going on with the house.